Hello everyone, I am Sanskar from BCA DQ Batch 2. Today we are going to write a program on QBasic. So here I have created a program of a number guessing game. So here I have written the print command which is used to equally write the same thing which is closed in a double inverted double comma. Same I have written the print command for writing the same thing. And here I assign a value for secret which is 9, and I take a variable called guess. If my guess is equal to my secret number, then I will win the game. If the number is less than my secret number, then it will tell me the number is too low, and if the number is greater than the secret number, then it will show me the too high. So after running this program, suppose I have entered the number 5 and then enter, so it's giving me the output, the number which I have written there is too low and my secret number was 9. We again run the code, and if I write the secret number, then it show me the correct number.